Unpack and prepare the lighting accessories. First, freely arrange the color bridge track on the stone pile. Then easily attach the ball to the track. The assembled ball can be placed on the stone pile. Method 1. Embed the color bridge track among small stones. Method 2. Bury it in the lawn. Next, insert the wire into the clip. Fix the clamp. Secure the fixture with waterproof tape. Optional version. Power on. The installed effect is shown. Use the remote to turn the lights on and off. Adjust the brightness and control flashing effects. Alternatively, scan the QR code to download the app. Enable Bluetooth to connect. Then use your phone to control power. Adjust the brightness and manage lighting effects. The video concludes with more application scenarios.